Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail drip catcher towel on this car. This one is not for drying the car, as the name suggests. It's to catch the drips, the water drips. So I'm going to do a pre-wash, contact wash, then I dry the car, and I'm going to use under one of the mirrors. I use this one because it has some magnets, so it's not advised to dry the whole car with it or even to attempt it. And on the other side I won't use it, so we will see the difference in between. Let's roll.
Mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down, wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I have to leave, there's not choice I make, it's my new rebellious way. Choice I make, it's my new rebellious way. If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind, the blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it, hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it, hope we find our way back to love.
Alright, boys and girls, that was the DIY detail drip catcher microfiber towel. It worked very well. I also washed it twice, once before using and once after I used. Obviously, normally you don't need to wash it after you use because it should be only clean water, but anyhow, once in a while, it is obviously advised to wash it. I washed it on 60 degrees centigrade and also on 1400 RPM. I dried in the tumble dryer, and it is just fine. The magnet didn't rip the material apart. It's very good quality, and it was catching the water drips beautifully. Obviously, depending on the car, you might need a number of these, but at least 2 for under the 2 mirrors. And yeah, basically that's that. All in all, it does what it's supposed to. It's a really nice towel, so I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.